Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write 10 lines on autumn season. This can also be written under the topic 10-line essay on autumn season or short essay on autumn season. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is, autumn is a wonderful season. Second line is, it comes between rainy season and winter season. Third line is, the temperature is just right, not too hot and not too cold. Fourth line is, the air becomes crisp and refreshing. Fifth line is, the leaves on trees change their colors and fall to the ground. Sixth line is, this creates an attractive landscape. Seventh line is, this season is very important for farmers. Eighth line is, they harvest their crops in this season. Next line is, the season also brings delicious fruits and vegetables. Last line is, it is a time to enjoy nature's beauty.